Cornbread dressing, a holiday favorite dish. Ingredients: 1 large pan, homemade cornbread, crumbled. 6 slices, day-old white loaf bread, toasted and then crumbled. 1 cup, butter, 2 full sticks. 2 cups, yellow onion, finely chopped. 2 cups, celery, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon, poultry seasoning. 1 tablespoon, dried sage. Salt and pepper, to taste. About 4 to 5 cups of chicken or turkey broth, it all depends on how dry your dressing base mixture is, before being cooked. 4 large eggs, well beaten. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish 9 by 13 or larger. Sauté the vegetables in a frying skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Add onion and celery. Now, fry onions and celery until soft and translucent, about 10 minutes. Mix well the dressing base of southern cornbread and white toasted bread. Add sautéed vegetables and poultry seasoning, sage, salt, and pepper. Add broth, pour in broth gradually, stirring until mixture is very moist, but not soupy. Add eggs and mix until all ingredients are fully incorporated together. Pour cornbread dressing mixture into the 9 by 13 prepared dish. Bake uncovered for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the cornbread dressing golden brown on the top, and set done in the center of the baking dish. Cornbread dressing, a holiday favorite dish. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, click that notification bell. And you will never again miss one of my new recipes or additions. Until next time, goodbye friends.